Amisha Patel, the sister of Ashmit Patel, was shocked to see Pakistani actress Veena Malik at brother Ashmit's birthday bash on the 13th January. The actress tried her best to avoid Veena throughout the celebration. She was furious when she saw Veena sticking up to Ashmit throughout the party and miffed about his choice and his love interest apparently. Amisha placed her dislike for the centrist busty beauty Veena openly on a social networking site, Twitter, by retweeting one of the tweets from a fan in the UK saying Veena is a fake. I understand the upper body being a fake, but her entire self, isn't that something? When we asked Amisha about the rumours of her brother having sex with Veena in the Big Boss 4 house, she just didn't say anything. She just looked at us helplessly. But when we asked him about it, he said, "How I wish I could have done something with Veena in the house." Ashmit, you dirty, desperate...